And Cleo here for this week's Shot Lab, where we are going to be focusing on puppy shots using the Insta360 GO. So whether you're a canine Hollywood movie star or a clumsy puppy like this one, today's all about a bit of fun, so let's head to the park. Whee! Use the magnet pendant to wear the GO around your neck so you can go totally hands-free. Put the GO on top of the toy with the angle wedge so you can get the perfect playing POV. Or even on the bottle to get a nice, refreshing shot. With GO screwed onto this dog harness, you can get a very unique shot. And you can get creative with it. Even you can use tape to stick the GO anywhere. Now it's time to edit, just pop the GO into your phone. Go to Stories, Life, Pet. Use this theme, then sit back, relax, and let Flash Cut choose the highlights for you. Export it, and then you're ready to share your cute clips with everyone. That is a wrap on this week's playdate with the Insta360 GO. If you liked Cleo's performance, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss our weekly episodes about the latest tips and tricks over here at Shot Lab. Until next week, chase adventure.